Today we're talking about spices. So I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek into my spice cabinet and show you some of my tried and true methods. One of the things that I do for myself and most of my clients is we get those spices on turntables. These are specifically from Design, which I absolutely love all of their products. They are my go-to. But this is why. When I'm cooking now, I just spin and grab what I need and then I put it back. There's no moving, there's no fighting my cabinets. My cabinets go back pretty deep, so that would be lost space. With turntables, I get to use all of this space there. And then my regular, turn here, my regular just everydays are right here for my cooking. But this really truly is a game changer. The other game changer that I believe is, if you can do it, is to try and get the same bottles. What this does is, one, it looks nicer, and for a lot of us that's important, but they fit nicer on turntables. So take 20 minutes today, go through your spices because they do have expiration dates. I also do a lot of my own spices. So I grow my herbs and then I turn them into my own. I just keep and reuse the bottle. And I'm going to give you a tip later on how you can take these labels off and use your Cricut or any other label to actually keep that nice uniformed look. So I hope you love this tip. I hope you're joining the challenge, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.